Clearly, you've clicked on today's video because you want to learn how you can install a TikTok pixel onto your website. I'm going to cut this video as short as possible, and I'm just going to give it to you guys straight. But if any of you guys could just do me one huge favor, and if you're interested in seeing more videos from me that are just so crucial to TikTok ads and dropshipping as a whole, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you didn't know, in about a week or so, I will be announcing the winners of my free mentorship giveaway. So if you're interested in learning from me one-on-one and have been able to scale multiple stores from 0 to 1K, 2K, and 3K a day, then please make sure that you comment down hashtag dropshipping in the comment section below. So right off the bat, once you've actually created your ads manager account correctly, go to the dashboard, and within the main menu, there's a drop down tab named assets. And all you need to do is just click the event tab. This is going to bring you to this page where you can create an app event or a website pixel. And obviously we're going to create the website pixel. And from here, as you can see, I've already created some test pixels, but all you need to do is simply click the create pixel button. Then you're obviously going to want to name your pixel. So I'm just going to name this one test. And as for anyone who isn't on the Shopify platform and maybe you're on, say, WordPress, you're going to need to manually install the pixel code into your header. But for the sake of this channel, we're always hosting our stores on Shopify. So we're simply just going to use the third-party event setup tool. So all you need to do is just click the third-party tool, click next, click Shopify. And then from here, you'll get a few instructions where you're just going to need to go to your Shopify store and simply just add the TikTok sales channel. So in order to do that, all you need to do is come to the sales channels tab here on your Shopify store, click the plus button, add apps onto your Shopify store, and we're just going to search up the free TikTok pixel setter. It's just a basic app labeled TikTok that you see on screen. So all you need to do is just click the add app button and you'll be able to start setting up your first TikTok pixel. And here is the data sharing section where you'll be able to directly set up your pixel. So all we need to do is connect. And as you can see, our test pixel is actually set up on our store. Now we can go ahead, test our pixel, and see if it's actually going to fire on our website. So all you need to do is go back to the TikTok events page, say I've set up the pixel in Shopify, click your pixel, click test events, add your landing page URL in the search bar. It's going to generate a QR code where you can scan with your phone and essentially just get directed to your website's homepage in order to see if your TikTok pixel is actually firing. And as you can see, I'm on the store on my phone, and we actually have our first 2 page views, which are directly coming from me. So setting up a TikTok pixel on your Shopify dashboard is actually super easy. It's probably the easiest thing to do nowadays. I remember way back in the day, like 4 or 5 years ago, you literally had to manually install your pixel code into the header when it came to anything like Facebook or Google Ads. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful to you in any way, shape, or form. And if it was, please make sure to subscribe to my channel below. And also don't forget about my free mentorship giveaway. If you made it this far in the video, chances are you can learn a lot more from me. So just comment down hashtag dropshipping and see if you get lucky by the end of this week.